I've visited many museums in my life, but one that truly caught my eye and left a lasting impression is the Victoria Memorial Museum in Kolkata. It is not just a museum, it is a majestic heritage building that feels like stepping into a time machine. The museum is housed in a grand colonial style palace built in the early 1900s during the British era. The architecture is stunning, with white marble walls, a massive dome, and sprawling gardens that cover nearly 100 acres. It's a place where history whispers from every corner. The garden itself is a treat, full of vibrant flowers, fountains, and walking paths that make you feel like you're in a royal courtyard. I visited this museum mainly because of its rich historical background. I've always been fascinated by antique items and cultural artifacts, and Victoria Memorial is a treasure trove. One item that really stood out to me was a muslin shari, which was part of a geographical textile exhibit. It was so delicate and finely woven that it looked like it could float in the air, something I had only read about, but never seen in real life. It was a feast for the eyes. What makes this museum different from others I've visited is the diversity of its collection. Alongside British era paintings and sculptures, I found exhibits made by Bangladeshi villagers, handcrafted tools, pottery, and traditional garments. It felt like a bridge between two cultures. Most museums I've seen focus on one theme, but this one offers a kaleidoscope of history. Unfortunately, I couldn't explore all the sections due to time constraints. The museum has multiple entry and exit points, and I only managed to cover the main galleries. But as the saying goes, hope springs eternal. If I get another chance, I'll definitely return and explore it more thoroughly. To sum up, Victoria Memorial isn't just a museum, it's a living storybook. It taught me that history isn't just about dates and facts, but about people, art, and emotion. It stole my heart, and I hope to revisit it someday.